The why behind doing the maintenance on your heating and air conditioning system. It's one of the most expensive appliances inside your home. It is like a car, you know, it runs, it needs service, stuff wears out, stuff gets loose, stuff needs cleaned. The electrical connections get loose over time, which causes excess heat and amp draw. Circuit boards get dusty. Definitely the condenser coils in the summertime need to be washed out, especially with our hot summers here in the valley. And they just collect a lot of dirt. This fan motor here is sucking the air in to remove the heat from the coil, and it's also sucking all the dirt from the outside air. We know our valley air is not the cleanest. Maintaining your warranty if it's a newer system. If a manufacturer was to find out that you hadn't been doing the regular maintenance, it could void some of the warranties. Making sure your condensate drains are clean and clear and flowing, so you don't have leaks into your attic causing costly damage. Pre-season maintenance is important, not just to maintain your unit and keep it clean and running at its best throughout the season. Also, we find issues, you know, as we test capacitors that are starting to fail. The system might still be running, but we'll find a weak capacitor and we catch it now, versus when it's 100 degrees, or a compressor that's having issues starting. It's just always better to do preventative maintenance, try to catch things before it becomes an emergency. Having a tune-up with the professional cleaning is highly recommended. Once a year for the seasonal air conditioning tune-up before it gets too hot, and once a year for the heating tune-up before it gets too cold.